White chocolate peppermint tea is the cozy winter drink you never knew you needed, and I'm about to show you why. There's something special about a warm cup of tea on a chilly winter day, and I'm excited to share with you a game-changing option that'll become your new go-to white chocolate peppermint tea. Let's dive right in and explore why this tea is a must-have for the winter season and what makes it so special. To make white chocolate peppermint tea, you'll need a few simple ingredients: peppermint tea leaves, white chocolate chips, and steaming hot milk. Let's get started on creating a warm and inviting drink. As I blend the flavors together, the aroma of peppermint fills the air, and I can already imagine the deliciousness that's about to come. The white chocolate adds a rich creaminess that perfectly balances out the refreshing peppermint flavor. With my first sip, it's like a warm hug in a mug, comforting, cozy, and utterly divine. The peppermint brings a refreshing taste, while the white chocolate provides a sweet, indulgent treat. The flavors melt together seamlessly, and I can feel the stress and chill of winter melting away with each sip. This tea is more than just a drink, it's an experience that transports you to a winter wonderland. One of the best things about white chocolate peppermint tea is its versatility. You can customize it to your taste by adding a pinch of salt, a dash of cinnamon, or even a shot of espresso. I love experimenting with new variations, and the possibilities are endless. To elevate your tea game, try pairing it with some delicious shortbread cookies or a slice of peppermint cake. The combination is absolute perfection, and you'll be hooked from the very first bite. Okay, it's time for the moment of truth, my first official sip of white chocolate peppermint tea. Wow, this is incredible. The flavors are even more amazing than I expected, and I can already tell that this tea is going to be a staple in my winter routine. So, there you have it. White chocolate peppermint tea is the ultimate winter drink that'll keep you cozy, comforted, and delighted throughout the season. Give white chocolate peppermint tea a try and let me know what you think. Share your favorite winter drinks and tea creations with me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more winter inspiration and delicious drink ideas.